You guys ready to work? You didn't come in work clothes. What is this?
Dirty.
I thought we were working. Where's the other one?
You have.
Ready to get to work?
Yes, I'm dressed for the job. I don't think Drew is.
Yo, you over there, Gremlin.
I'm over here
You guys are over here blowing bubbles.
I'm babysitting.
Hey, you ready to work?
Ready to work?
No.
At least he's honest. I can respect an honest man.
This. Go over there. Having fun?
We're getting there. We should have timed it.
That's it.
It doesn't spin up here? Oh, yeah.
Stuck. It spins and it stops. It hits a wall.
Oh, yeah. She's out.
Where do you have us going right now? West, what's going on?
Hey man,
What do you?
time to
Put
go
that
buy
away.
Something new. It's time to go buy something new.
We are not loading a car in this weather.
At the top, it says February 20th to 2021.
You're gonna eat it?
Well, I'm not gonna not eat it. Might need a piece of that.
These guys just lost the keys. We thought we were going back. Oh, you're sick. How's it taste?
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Like granola.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh yeah, this is definitely old. I ain't gonna lie, this is definitely old.
You can smell it. It smells like cardboard.
It tastes like cardboard.
Are you ready to buy this bucket? What about you?
I'm not ready at all.
Left?
Yeah. Making a bad financial decision.
Wes is like, I hope he doesn't buy it.
I literally am.
So,
Oh, did you? Yeah, in the booster? Yeah. Or the Sony? Yeah. This is on football.
we're trying to eat in this taking his time.
It was dang.
You still got that old school vent, Drew?
Yeah, they're trying to get me up out of it right now.
It's freezing. Car's loaded up.
Freezing.
Waiting for Drew.
Talking to somebody's ear off right now.
Transmissions delivered. It's 45 degrees. It's not that bad. Why do you run like that? Why'd you run like that?
46.
You see the look on my face?
Look at the food, bruh. Ooh, the rubber.
Yeah, we ain't got all.
Got him.
That's how dirty we are. So Drew bought a Skyline, another one. It just has a GTR kit on it, and it has the LS3 in it. He already has one with LS3, but he sold it to Wes, so now Wes has one too. So we're back home. It's freezing. It's like 12:30 at night. So Drew found this R33 with a GTR wide body kit, GTR OEM front end, an LS3 TR6060. It's an unfinished project, but it has the I think they're 350Z or Z32 Brembos or whatever they are. I don't know. I don't know much about Japanese cars, but he has a caged R33 with an LS, or it's like an LQ9 bored out to an LS3. He sold that to Wes and bought this one. This one has, it's a green color. Both of the Skylines are dope. One's more like track focused, fully caged, angle, and the other one's probably going to be a daily driver. But the GTO. So we got the tranny out. It took me about an hour to get the tranny out. And shout out to Kareem for the tranny jack. Shout out to Wes for the help on getting that out. But yeah, we got it all out. My exhaust probably fell over. This car is supposed to be going to wrap in about 2 weeks. So kind of worried about that. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more of the content, I guess.